Hi, this is Leah Fagenbaum from Mahjonggmentor.com. We're here today going to talk about going to a tournament. A lot of our members are thinking about it or getting ready to go to their first tournament and they're wondering what to expect. So that's what we're going to talk about. The first question people ask is, how fast do I need to play? The time limit on a particular round or game at a tournament is 15 minutes. Oftentimes it's faster than that. Don't freak out. Remember, when you play with your friends, a lot of times you're talking in between or gossiping, stuff like that. So it goes faster than you might think it would. So maybe try before you get ready to sign up for a tournament. Take a egg timer or a stopwatch to one of your games and say to your friends, we're not going to talk, we're just going to play and see how you do. The first time you do this at a tournament, it may be a little bit of a shock to your system, but you do get used to it. So if you don't hesitate and you just forge ahead, you'll be fine. Okay? Now, many of the bigger tournaments are what's called sanctioned tournaments, which means they all play by the same rules. And these rules are put out by Master Points, Mahjong Master Points. And we're going to share those with you. They're on our site, downloaded already for your easy viewing. And we're going to talk about a couple of the rules that you may not be familiar with and how the tournaments are set up. So firstly, you go to the tournament and you're assigned a spot to sit in. You're not playing with your friends. You're sitting at a particular table at a particular seat. And after those 4 games are over, your first 4 games, you're going to switch tables. And there's a method to that as well. And it's all spelled out very clearly for you. Something else. You're not playing with any table rules. You're playing with the National Mahjong League card only, and you're playing by National Mahjong League rules for the most part. There's a couple of exceptions, but they're all spelled out very clearly for you. A couple of rules that you want to be very familiar with. You are not playing with any table rules. So those of you who play with 14 tiles or throw and pick, you got to get used to playing pick and throw. All right? If you play throw and pick or you do it by mistake, your hand is going to be called dead. Another rule is that when you're stealing on your first left and your last right, these are blind passes only. There's no sneaking a look. And if you do look, even if it's by mistake, there is a penalty. Okay? One other rule that you might want to be aware of is if you call for a tile and you touch the discard on the table, it is yours. You cannot change your mind. However, you can call for a tile and change your mind if you have not touched the tile on the table. That's the important part. So those are 3 specific rules that you want to be aware of. As I said, we have them all listed on the website and you can click through the link and view the rules. The other thing that I want to make you aware of is that there is a scorecard and you sign it after each game to verify the results. The most important thing that you need to bring with you to any tournament is your confidence. Okay? Don't hesitate. Don't second guess yourself. Remember, if you do something wrong, no one knows it unless you tell them. Okay? So use my phrase, fake it till you make it, and just keep forging ahead with a smile on your face and feel good about that you're going to your first tournament. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for joining me, Leah, at Mahjonggmentor.com. Oh wait, if you have a tournament and you want us to post it for you, please send it in, and if you have a flyer, we'll link the page to your flyer. Thanks again. Bye-bye.